y'all, I just woke up. I look like a bum. I'm about to do like a get ready with me video. Today I need to do some stuff for my internship. I'm going to Winthrop University to canvas, put some posters up, and yeah, I'm about to do my curly wash and go look. And I'll probably throw on some lashes because mine are falling off. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm also recording a reels on my phone as I'm doing this, so bear with me. We're gonna wet my hair. Look at them curls. Okay, so since I'm doing a curly wash and go, we're not gonna shampoo or cleanse. We're just gonna go straight into a conditioner. Bondi Boost Anti-Frizz Conditioner because your girl just got done straightening her hair for a week. So we're going to use this because we don't want the frizz. Like noodles. Am I the only one that feels like humps are just useless? Don't be working. Oh my god. And that's when you open the bottle. Ow! We do 5 minutes. Probably should take photos for my thumbnail. So that's what we gonna do. Or should I take pictures on my camera? Okay, it's been a little bit amount of time. So we're gonna wash this John out. Do I have my... It's the way that I don't have this in here, so I'm really about to have to hop out, go get it, and come back in the shower. Okay, so now after I do that, since I just straightened my hair, I am going to put coconut oil through my hair, and then we're going to put in a leave-in conditioner, and then we're going to put our hair in a microfiber towel. Okay, you're going to warm it up in your hands. And I keep my coconut oil like in my shower area. I have like a little area that I can put stuff in the shower, and I keep it there because usually like I'll have hot showers, so it'll kind of melt some of it, so I don't have to work too hard to melt it. But if you didn't want to do this, you could also put some in like a microwavable safe little dish and do it that way. Make sure you don't put this at your scalp. We're just going to put it through our strands. You got to clean the brush. Now you're going to brush it through your hair. Oh, I forgot to put that on my reels. Hold up. So now that we brushed that through, we're now going to go in with Shea Moisture Leave-In. I love this stuff. Love, 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 love this stuff. Yeah, boy. My curls look pretty. now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of my hair and kind of move it up some. Oh. Now we're going to get our microfiber towel. And voila. And now I'm going to wash. Got to wash. Then I keep this on as I'm doing like the rest of my activities, like brushing my teeth, washing my face, doing my lashes, put on my clothes. But you're going to see that. So. Okay, now we're going to wash our face. We're going to use the lovely Dove soap bar. Now we're going to put on some eye cream. Our CeraVe lotion all over our face. Cannot have a dry face in the winter. And then Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean lip gloss. Now I'm about to go to my vanity, fix my lashes up because I got some missing. Okay, so these are the lashes I'm using. Okay, and then this is like the Bond and Seal that I'm using. All of these will be linked in my Amazon link. You can find them under lashes, and then these are the tweezers I'm using. Now, since we're done doing our full routine, we can finally take this out. So yeah, now we have this. Okay, so I just packed up my bag to leave to go do my canvassing for my internship. So before I do that, we're going to fluff my hair. And now I'm just separating some of the bigger curls and the pieces that I twisted. And there's my hair. Now I'm really getting ready to leave. Packing up my camera bag. I gotta make sure I get my extra batteries for vlogging. Gotta have extra batteries at all times. Literally cannot be caught slacking. So here's the fit. Wait, there we go. As you can see, real cute. Real cute. This is the bag. It says black. I got it from Shein. Okay, so now I'm in the car. I just had to take some trash to the dumpster at my apartment complex. But now we are in Maleficent, driving, going on campus. Just did a little, yep. Say hey, girl. Hello. Currently doing our internship. Let me see. Yep. This girl cannot get the tape to save her life, y'all. I cannot make this up. It's me and Aya. Say hi, Aya. Hi. And we're in the student union, and I'm finishing up the video now. Today was fun. We went to Winthrop, CPCC, and UNCC. And now I'm getting the video ready to put out.